Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on GOVX, a major breakout that we had in the Instabills room today. This is a monkeypox stock. Again, the WHO over the weekend mentioned that they're declaring monkeypox outbreak as a global health emergency. So we had a lot of anticipation leading into GOVX, and sure enough, having that major breakout. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for GOVX to continue. A lot of people are curious if GOVX can break over 2 or if we are going to continue on lower from here. I'm going to go over exactly what our pressure says and what exact levels we do need to break above to make sure we do continue on higher, and what exactly gave us confirmation on this breakout today. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on GOVX, again, a major breakout that we had in the Instabills room, over 38% on that breakout. Again, if you guys do want to jump into the Instabills room, it's only $15 a month. You guys will never miss a breakout alert again, or at least the consistent breakouts that are breaking out throughout the day. As you guys can see, going to pre-market, we did have this breakout. We were consolidating. We did mention that we were consolidating, looking to see if we can break into new highs at 127. We did break above it. We were looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average, and we did respect it. We continued to respect it, and as you guys can see, towards the end of the day, we did break into the upper end of our second deviation, and again, that was after our squeeze territory that we did have. As you guys can see, our Bollinger Bands came over here and squeezed. We did again have that tight compression here, and then we did break into the upper end of our second deviation, so that did give us our confirmation on this breakout. But as you guys can see, we did mention stopping out at about 175. That was again a 38% breakout that we had in the Instabills room. As you guys can see, we do have again that range between 178 and $2 that we did mention a while back. We would be looking to see if we can get more of a clear breakout over 2. As you guys can see on the daily chart, we do again have these rejections to the downside before we did continue on lower previously. So we are testing this level. We want to see if we can break above this area of balance and also our doji candle that we had here to continue on with that indecisiveness to the upside. Again, we are getting news over the weekend from the WHO mentioning, again, declaring monkeypox as a global emergency. So we are looking to see if we can continue on with that speculation volume to the upside. Again, there is no fundamental reason why we should continue on higher necessarily. So we are going to be careful, but if we do break over 2 with that confirmation, I will mention this in the Instabills room. And as far as SIGA, I wanted to make sure we did cover this because SIGA came up. We did not mention this one. As you guys can see, we got a false breakout breaking into new highs. We did not mention this one because, again, we did see this pressure that we did not have. As you guys can see, we had a decrease in pressure. We had a lot of monkeypox stocks already running during the day, and breaking into new highs wasn't exactly what we're looking for here, as we did need that increase in pressure. We still do have our EMA lines above our MACD. We want to see if we can continue on with that pressure to the upside, and again, very much going to keep SIGA on the watch, as we have been again holding above the median of our MACD. We are going to be looking for that increase in pressure. In my opinion, if we can break above our consolidated pressure that we had recently, we could have again that break like we had on GOVX to the upside. But again, very much just keeping SIGA and GOVX on the watch to see if we can continue on higher going to pre-market. If we do get that confirmation on a good setup going into open, then we will keep an eye on this. Again, very much looking to see if we can get that pressure to the upside on our MACD. And as you guys can see on our relative strength, we are again getting that slight pullback. We are very much within consolidation here with our RSI. We are not pointing up for that possible overbought territory move that we would be looking for. So we are going to see if we do continue on out of this consolidation, possibly break into overbought territory to see if we can spike into this gap that we had previously into overbought territory. Again, we broke over pre-market highs at 16.18, but we did not have that increase in pressure, so we did not alert this one. But again, we did alert GOVX throughout the whole day, breaking over 127 again, jumping up all the way to 185, but we did mention a stop loss at 175, so that way we did stay green. So again, if you do want to see all of these breakouts that we mentioned every single day throughout the week, again, another example of a major breakout that we had was REVB. Also, I did go over the market in the last video. If you guys do want to see that stock market update, again, we do have Fed rate hikes coming in this Wednesday. With that speculation move that we did get to the downside on the SPY, we very much had these monkeypox stocks running. As you guys can see on REVB, this was not a monkeypox stock. As you guys can see, we did have that continuation on higher here, breaking above pre-market highs, a textbook breakout here, breaking over 152, all the way up to 182, mentioning a stop loss at about 180, over 18% on that breakout. A very nice breakout this morning out the gate. Just taking what the market gives us is what we will continue to do in the Instabills room. If you do want to see, again, all of these breakouts throughout the day, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabills that come over and support the channel every single day, I did lose my voice today, so I apologize if I sound like I'm cracking my voice today. I love losing my voice. It's just the best best thing that can happen when you're trying to record. But again, I do appreciate everybody that has been coming over every single day and supporting the channel. You guys mean a lot to me, and I will continue to go at it for you guys. We will continue to stay consistent, take what the market gives us. Again, no matter how bad the market gets, as you guys can see on the SPY, we did have a doji candle coming out, an indecisive candle, very much having a lot of pullback today. So again, we did have a major breakout, even with this pressure that we had to the downside during the day. So we're going to see if we do continue on with that pressure on the SPY to the upside, or if we do continue on with that pullback. Again, I did go over the market in the last video, so definitely check out that video if you guys want to see exactly what may happen leading into this Wednesday's Fed rate hike. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.